Hello students, let's start with the second lecture of this lesson, how do organisms reproduce. In this lesson we'll be discussing types of reproduction. Types of reproduction. So if we make a chart of it, let's see. First one is asexual reproduction. Asexual reproduction. And the second one is sexual reproduction. Sexual reproduction. But in between there is one more reproduction that is called parthenogenesis. Parthenogenesis. Now one by one we'll be discussing about each type of the reproduction and understand which way they are actually reproducing and producing new organisms. First, let's discuss asexual reproduction. Asexual reproduction is the reproduction in which an organism utilizes a specialized or non-specialized part of the body to produce an organism. In this reproduction, only one parent is involved, so it is called as a uniparental. So means in the asexual reproduction there is no formation of gametes. From the vegetative cell new organism is being produced. If there is no meiotic cell division, means there is no gamete production is there, no haploid cells are produced, means all the division is mitotic. So let's define. So asexual reproduction is reproduction in which new organism is produced from specialized or unspecialized or non-specialized part of a single parent. Right? This is the definition. Means single parent is involved. So this reproduction is uniparental. Uni means one, parental means one parent is involved. Uniparental. So what it also suggests us, there is no gamete formation in this particular kind of organism. If there is no gamete formation, that means no meiotic cell division is taking place. In these organisms, no meiotic cell division take place, or we can say, or no haploid cells. Haploid means half the number of chromosome containing cells. No haploid cells or gametes production take place. In other words, we can say asexual reproduction is a reproduction in which no gametes participate. So gamete participate नहीं कर रहे हैं, वेजिटेटिव सेल से ही नया ऑर्गेनिज्म पैदा हो रहा है, meiotic सेल डिवीजन होती ही नहीं है, इसलिए गैमेट फॉर्मेशन होती ही नहीं है. One more thing, this asexual reproduction is also called as apomix. Apomixis means what? Apo means without, mixis means mix, means without mixing. What without mixing? Without mixing of gametes. Correct? So apomixis, asexual reproduction is also called as apomixis. Now one more thing. In the asexual reproduction, if we discuss about the vertebrates, these are higher organisms, and also in the higher invertebrates, asexual reproduction does not take place. Asexual reproduction takes place in primitive organisms or unicellular organisms like paramecium, or you can say amoeba, or little tissue-like structures organism only. So primitive organism, in the primitive organism as well as in the plants, asexual reproduction take place. So remember, this is also called as apomix. Let us discuss sexual reproduction. Now sexual reproduction actually is, first of all, it is biparental, means two parents are involved. Biparental. Now biparental is two parents which are involved, and also reproduction, we can say reproduction in which gametes participate. Now if gametes are participating, that means these kind of organism must be having meiotic cell division. So meiotic cell division take place. Meiotic cell division is used for producing haploid gametes, right? So haploid gametes produce होते हैं, बाइपेरेंटल मीन्स टू पेरेंट्स पार्टिसिपेट करते हैं, एंड गैमेट्स की फर्टिलाइजेशन होती है. सो फर्टिलाइजेशन ऑफ गैमेट्स इज पार्ट ऑफ sexual reproduction. Now let's come to the parthenogenesis. Now if we have understood in asexual reproduction, no gametes are participating, vegetative cells are participating. In sexual reproduction, gametes are participating, but it is biparental, means two gametes are participating, one from the paternal side, one from the maternal side. Parthenogenesis come in between sexual and asexual. Why? Because in parthenogenesis, new organism is produced from single gamete, or we can say from unfertilized egg, means only from the female egg a new organism is being produced. So gamete is there, so it is not asexual, but single gamete is there, not the two gametes, so it is not sexual reproduction. So it is in between sexual and asexual reproduction. Now I'll give an example. Example is honeybee. Honeybee produces new organism from unfertilized egg. Unfertilized egg is basically producing a new organism. So this kind of reproduction is called parthenogenesis. Now, if we have understood the type of reproduction, in the next lecture we'll be discussing the types of asexual reproduction. Okay, I hope it is helping you. Thanks.